Good evening. Welcome to Bruce's Box Breaks. Tonight we're doing two boxes of Ultimate Collection 14-15 variety. And here's our time. 22:11. That's good old Nova Scotia time. Atlantic Daylight Savings. And here's our list of winners and their respective teams. I want to thank everybody for taking part, jumping in, grabbing teams or team. Here's our serial numbers, 7853 and 7126, and it is break number 266. All right, sure thing. We'll give it a whirl. And here's serial number for box 1. As you can see, still intact, and the serial for box number 2. And that being said, let's get her done. Good luck, everybody. Welcome everybody that's on Breakers TV tonight. Thanks for joining in. We've got this 2-box break of Ultimate Collection, and then I'm going to do a 4-box break with some Ultimate and some SP Game Used and SPX and Ultimate Collection. So we're going to start off with Henrik Lundqvist out of 299 for the Rangers. Rangers tonight is Aeronome 2. Then we've got a Blue Jackets, Marco Dano out of 299 with the autograph. Very nice. Blue Jackets is me. Did not sell. Then we've got Ultimate Collection Signature Masterpieces for the Montreal Canadiens. Mr. Bean himself, Max Pacioretty. And that's got a nice auto on it. Very nice. And then for the Pittsburgh Penguins, who has Pittsburgh? 67 Leaf Rock, sorry. Out of 10, we've got Mario Lemieux Ultimate Materials Socks. That's pretty darn sweet. Congratulations on that. Numbered 1 out of 10. If you want insurance and tracking on that, just let me know and we'll get her done. For the Rangers, Ultimate Gear, Henrik Lundqvist, Jersey. And last but not least, for the Nashville Predators, we've got Pekka Rinne, Ultimate Signatures. Very nice. That's box 1. Let's get to box 2 real quick like. And these cards will be shipping out likely tomorrow. No, I would say maybe not. First of the week, I guess. Saturday or the first of the week. So they'll be going out soon. For the Arizona Coyotes, we got Shane Doan out of 299. That's going for AZ Coyote Charlie. For the Ducks, we've got William Karlsson out of 299, autograph. Jeremy Ilian, 55-14. For the Montreal Canadiens, we've got Max, No Max there. PK, Subban, Ultimate Signatures. Very nice. And we've got a spacer. Sweet. Let's just leave that spacer there and show the next card. For the Pittsburgh Penguin. Oh, sorry. I was just kidding there. Brett Kyle. For the Blues, we've got David Backes. Jersey. For the Toronto Maple Leafs, we got Phil Kessel, Ultimate Collection, out of 150. Phil Kessel. And for the Florida Panthers, Ballack, Frank. Rare Materials, Jonathan Huberdeau. You've got a bunch of sticks there. That is just pretty darn sweet. And that is blue, and it's numbered 10 out of 10, so it's the final one. So, there you have it. That's all she wrote for the 2 boxes of Ultimate Collection. I want to thank everybody for taking part, and now we'll just stop the video there for a minute and go to the next one.